All right, this is the second how-to video for YouTube Editor, and we're going to learn a super easy way to add videos to your existing, adding photos to your existing videos on YouTube. So once again, the prerequisite actions here are that you need to have a YouTube account and you need to have a video already uploaded into your account. So if you go to youtube.com/editor, this is what you should see, a blank slate over here on the left and then your preloaded videos over here on the right. If you don't have any videos there, make sure you take a minute to upload a video to YouTube from your computer or your phone so that you have something to work with, because we can't add video or add photos to video if we don't have any video. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to choose this video of a student performance. So what I did there was I clicked and dragged from my videos and dragged it right here into the gray space at the bottom of your screen. What that's going to do is allow you to edit that video. You can't do any editing until you click and drag it over there. Okay, now this event took place on Hawaii Island, or Big Island of Hawaii, and I don't live there, so I want to add a photo that shows something about Hawaii Island. So I'm going to click on this photo icon or this camera icon. And right now I don't have any photos that preload here, any photos that come from my Google account. So what I'm going to do is click add more photos. And then what it's going to do is it's going to show me the photos that I already have on Google, but none of these have anything to do with Hawaii Island. So what I'm going to do is go to upload photos, and I'm going to select photos from my computer. I'm going to go to desktop. I mean, this is, so you would pull photos from wherever you like. So I'm going to search for my pictures that have to do with Hawaii. This is perfect. This photo of Waipio Valley, I'm going to click and drag. Now, if you already have photos on your Google account because you're good at using your Google Drive to save photos, then you might already have a ton of photos. Otherwise, you're going to want to pull one from your computer and upload it here. And then what it's going to allow you to do is, again, you're going to see it under your photos, and then you're going to click and drag. Okay, but let's say I want the photo to actually come before the video, because it allowed me to click and drag, but it put it after the video, but I want to put it before. So I'm going to do, again, is click and drag it before the video, and it's automatically going to default to 5 seconds of time, but you can make that shorter by clicking the blue bar and dragging it down. So I clicked it down to 3 seconds, and now it's just going to show this photo for 3 seconds. But let's say you want to have a photo at the end of the video as well. Great. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to click down here in this gray space because it'll clear my screen. And then I already have my camera icon highlighted, and I'm going to click and drag one more time the same exact picture, and you can use it as many times as you want. Okay, so like I said, if you want to make that video shown for longer, then you can click and drag it so that it goes longer, or you can click the blue bar and make it shorter so that it's less than the 5 seconds that it's going to default to. Okay, so the last question you might be having is, okay, I see how I can put a photo at the beginning or at the end of my video, but what if I want to put it in the middle of my video? Well, that's going to require you to do some cutting and trimming that we learned in the previous video, but it's really easy to figure out. So when I click away, every time I want to kind of reset my trimmer, I need to click in this gray area down here at the bottom. Otherwise, when I'm clicking on the videos, or on the pictures, it's going to show me the picture options. When I click on the video, it's going to show me the video options. But when I want to see kind of the default options, I'm going to click down here in the gray. And keep in mind, it's going to restart your video every time you click around. So, you know, if you don't mind it, then let it play, but otherwise you're going to need to keep clicking the pause button on your video. Okay, so the question is, how do you put a picture in the middle of your video? Well, what we're going to do is you'll see this blue bar pop up with a little scissors inside of it. So what we're going to do is click on that and hold the click down. So you're not going to let go of your click until you're at the point in the video where you want to stop it and put a picture. So I picked up my scissors and now I'm going to drop them right in the middle of the video. And what you'll see is that it just split it into two. So if you want to put your picture in the middle of those two clips, again, you're going to click and drag, and then you'll see a blue highlight pop up at the beginning of each of the clips. So I want it in the middle. The middle is highlighted right now, so I'm going to drop it right there. So what you'll see is that I have a picture, I have a video clip, another picture, video clip, and another picture. And you could see that multiple times. You could clip this video in different pieces and drop in different photos to intersperse. This might be particularly useful if you are putting together a video collage for an event where you might want to intersperse video with pictures of the event. Let's say it was a wedding. You might have the father and the daughter dancing in a video, and then you might show a picture of them after that video ends, and then continue with another video and more photos. So you're really creating a multimedia presentation that isn't limited by just video or just photos. So you could really combine a photo collage and a video. All right, that is how to add photos to video using YouTube Video Editor. Hope that you enjoyed and that you check out the other videos. Take care.